Hello, good morning to all of you. I am Arvind from Hanmant Nagar, Rahmat Nagar Ward for Madhwani, Purnia, Bihar. Today, I will teach you past perfect. As far as concerning to the students of class 10th and 12th, they are free from the burden of English. And this lesson is useful for academic and competitive level also. Before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you something. You should know that some persons become pilot, singer, artist. Okay, and Herbert Gardner was a great psychiatrist. He proposed the theory of multiple intelligence. It simply means a student gets different level of understanding, has a different level of understanding, and they get differently of a particular thing. And Herbert Gardner, who proposed the theory of multiple intelligence, according to him, every child learner student has different level of understanding. They take a particular lesson according to their understanding level. Okay, however, I am going to teach you past perfect. Okay, so as you know, in past perfect, the rule of positive statement is like this: subject plus had plus V3 and object. Okay, and sentences generally end in रह चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे. Now I'm telling you positive statement as I taught you in my previous lesson. Same thing is there. I had taught you. Okay, मैं तुम्हें पढ़ा चुका था. Okay, as you know, I will tell you the rules of passive voice of past perfect. Subject will come in the place of object, object will go in the place of subject, and every time in passive voice you should use third form of verb. In passive voice of past perfect, you should use had been. There is only one and single helping verb. I had played cricket. Passive, cricket had been played by me. Now, negative sentence. I had not read English. Passive of this sentence is English had not been read by me. Now, I am telling you first phase interrogative sentence where we will use had for क्या. क्या तुम खा चुके थे? क्या वह क्रिकेट खेल चुका था? For क्या we will never use what. As I taught you earlier, why will we use had for kya? Such sentences contain the answer in yes or no. So we will use had for kya. When you are going to make sentence like वह क्या खा चुका था? Kya comes after subject. In that stage we will use what. Okay. So now listen to me. Had you gone to Delhi? क्या तुम दिल्ली जा चुके थे? Now negative sentence. Interrogative negative. Had you not played cricket? As I told you, put not on third position. Had you not played cricket? Passive of the sentence. Had cricket not been played by you? Now, second phase interrogative sentence. What had you read? तुम क्या पढ़ चुके थे? Where had she gone? वो कहाँ जा चुकी थी? Passive. What had been taught to you? तुम्हें क्या पढ़ाया जा चुका था? This is the sentence of passive voice. Now I'm telling you passive sentence of past perfect. वह पढ़ाया जा चुका था. He had been taught. Negative. वह उसे पीटा उसे नहीं पीटा जा चुका था. He had not been beaten. Now first interrogative. क्या उसे गाली दी जा चुकी थी? Had he been abused? क्या उसे गाली नहीं दी जा चुकी थी? Had he not been abused? क्या पढ़ाया जा चुका था? What had been taught? Okay, in this way you can do it. Now I am telling you the sentences where you will use simple past and past perfect. Listen carefully. For example, if two past actions happen in a sentence, the first action will follow the rules of past perfect and second action will follow the rules of simple past. Look here. Here I have written the rule. Two past actions happen in a sentence. The first action will follow the rules of past perfect and second action will follow the rules of simple past. Now look here. First section simply means past perfect with subject had plus V3, past perfect. Second section simple past means subject plus V2. Okay. Now look here. The patient had died before the doctor came. Both actions are in past tense. मरीज डॉक्टर के आने के पहले मरीज मर चुका था. What happened first? The patient died. Second, arrival of doctor. Now look here. The patient had died before the doctor came. डॉक्टर के आने से पहले मरीज मर चुका था. Second sentence. I met him after I had finished my work. मैं उससे मिला जब मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर चुका था. To the first action, I had finished. This will follow the rules of past perfect. I had finished. Second action, I met him. I met him after I had finished my work. Now look here. Third sentence. Before John understood anything, the thief had fled away. John किसी चीज को समझ पाता उससे पहले ही चोर भाग चुके थे. What was the first action? The thief had fled. Okay. First action, and before John understood, इसे John समझ पाता. Second, fourth rule. By the time I reached the station, the train had left. Means जैसे ही मैं स्टेशन पहुंचा ट्रेन खुल चुकी थी. This is the first action, train had left. It will follow the rules of simple past. It will follow the rules of past perfect. By the time I reached the station, the train had fled. Okay. So in this way, you can use different sentence. Okay. Now I would like to tell you one thing about past perfect. In past perfect, I taught you tense. How will you change the sentences of past perfect into passive voice, and after then I taught you the sentences of voice, past perfect. Okay, so up to here, I would like to stop it. Next day, I will teach you past perfect continuous. Thank you to all of you.